Passion doesn't just belong to the arts and the lovers. Passion can be found everywhere. In our case, it has always been what drives us on. It has fueled us for more than 125 years and constantly motivates us to become better, stronger, and smarter. This is why nothing we do is half-hearted, because in your business, there are no shortcuts to anywhere that's worth going. If you're thinking about investing in a new transport solution, think Scania. We'll optimize our services based on your individual needs. We'll fine-tune the smallest details to make the biggest difference. In comfort, in performance, in uptime, in power, and above all, in your margins. So, if you're looking for a partner who is as passionate about your business as you are, come and meet us. Allow us to show you what happens when you're able to pair the strength of technical specifications with the smartness of optimized services. Allow us to tailor a solution for the only business that matters, yours.